Hi, I'm Al Dunning. You know, I'm going to talk about the German Martingale today. This is a German Martingale setup. I have it set up on a snaffle. I have it adjusted on the middle ring, which has multiple adjustments. And the reason I have it on today is because I want this horse to draw back while working the flag. So I come through that turn and I want him to draw back. And when he draws back, I want him to give his head. And, you know, of course, I could always use my hands a lot like this to try to get him to give, but this draws his head down real softly and easily. But when it gets to a good position like this, you notice the bottom is loose. So it only draws him down so far, and then it stops and allows that horse to work straight in my hands. So it works kind of like this. Draw back, turn, go, stop, draw back, turn, go, stop, draw back, turn, go. Until that horse can move on his own and be free like that, making these kind of moves. You know, you can't have those kind of moves without good collection. You know, talking about collection, you know, Professional's Choice has the AD tack collection. They're made out of the best Herman oak leather. German Martingale is just one of those products. You'll love it. Try it.